Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome to SCS VAJRA Tutorials. Let us start today's vocabulary session. In part of that, focus on today's word. The word is extract. Meaning of extract is a solution obtained by steeping or soaking a substance. Telugu meaning of this extract is ఉద్ధరించు and సారం. Let us see synonyms and antonyms of extract. Synonyms are express, separate, obtain, and antonyms are insert and add. Let us see sentence example of extract. First sentence is we can extract oil from shale. Telugu meaning of this sentence is మనము పొట్టు నుండి నూనెని తీయవచ్చు. Second sentence, the following is an extract from her dairy. Telugu meaning of this sentence is కిందిది ఆమె డైరీ పాడి నుండి సేకరించబడినది. Okay everyone, this is our today's vocabulary session. Daily one word will help you to improve your vocabulary. Thank you for watching. Those who are watching first time, please subscribe my channel SCS VAJRA Tutorials. Thank you.